Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create exercise number 74. And in this exercise, we will create this exercise only by 3 sketches. Yeah, this exercise also can be created only by 2 sketches, but it little bit more complex. And to reduce this complexity, we will create this whole exercise by 3 sketches. So first sketch, by this first sketch, we will create this portion, and by the second sketch we will create this portion, and by the third sketch we will create this portion. So let's go on SolidWorks and create this exercise. So select first top plane and select the sketch, right? And now select here 3-point corner rectangle, not this one, the 3-point center rectangle, and draw one like that. Now select this line and make vertical. Select this side and this side and make it equal, and now select the fillet. Let's select all 4 corners and select this one, that is 10 mm. Apply OK. Now select the circle and draw one circle like that, and 4 constructions, and select the smart dimension which is 70. Right, select this circle and select this side and make tangent. Right, now select the circle and draw one circle here and draw the circle. Diameter of this outer one is 40 and inner one is 30. So here is the problem. Select this circle and select this circle, make concentric. So now it is fully constrained. Now exit. Okay, we just forget to add circle at all 4 points. Select circle and draw circles like that. Diameter of this circle is 10. Now select this circle and select circular sketch pattern and apply OK. Now exit. Right, now select the extruded boss, select this one, clear the selection, select this one and this one, and the width, or we can say the height of this extrude is only 10 mm. Okay, now again select extruded boss and select the circle, sorry not circle but the sketch, and now select this one and here select the surface, and this is the surface, right? Now here select the blind. Okay, and the total height of this extrude is 115 minus 25 minus 10, right? So it is around 80. Yeah, now again select the extruded boss and select the same sketch, right? Now select this middle one. Now here select the surface, and this one, this, sorry, this is the surface. Again select the extruded boss, select this sketch, and here select the surface, and here it is surface which is 25 mm of height. Apply OK. Okay, now select the front plane and go to sketch, select circle and draw 3 circles here, and the height of, sorry, now select smart dimension, select the center and select this origin, and this height is 50. The outer one is 30 mm and this one is 28 mm. The smaller one is 15 mm. And now select this point and select this point and make vertical. Now it is fully constrained. Now exit. Now select extrude boss and clear the selection. Select this one and this one. It is 55 minus 27. Apply OK. Now select extrude boss again and select the same sketch. Select this one and this one, and here select the not surface, but yeah, here select surface, and it is 55, 50, no, it is 55. Okay, just here select the sketch plane and it is 55. Yeah, so now we have this, right? So now select the front plane and go to sketch, right? Now select the circle and go one circle. I think total 4 circles are here, right? And now give dimension to 1 by 1, which is 80. This is 60, and this one is also construction geometry, so convert it to construction geometry. Now select smart dimension again, and this is 40, and this one is 30. Okay, we need one more circle, which is 50. Now select smart dimension, and distance between these two is 70, and select this center point and this origin and the vertical. Now it is completely casted. Now select circle and draw one circle here. Diameter of this circle is 10 mm. And now select circular sketch pattern. Select this one, clear the selection, and select this point and apply OK and exit. Now we have this sketch, so now we apply extruded boss. Select this one and select this sketch, right? Now clear the selection, select this one, this one, this one, and this one, and here select offset, which is 55, sorry. Reverse the direction, and it is 10 mm only. Apply OK. Now again select extruded boss, and you select this sketch. Select this 30 mm circle, not 40 mm. Make sure it is 30 mm, right? And select this one. Reverse the direction, and here select up to surface, and this is the surface. Apply OK. Now select the right plane, and here select the center line. So draw one center line like that. Now select the line, draw lines like that. Select. Now select smart dimension. This is, sorry, yeah, this one is 8. Yeah, and this one is 25, and this is 30. Okay, just delete this one first. Now select smart dimension. We just delete the center line. Okay. So draw it again. And this is 16. This is 25. And this is 30. And this is 35. And this is 30. Apply OK. Now go to features and select revolve cut. OK. And apply OK. Now select extruded cut again, and select the sketch 2. Yeah, this one, and select this point, and here select blind, reverse the direction, and now select the through wall. Apply OK. Now select extruded cut again, and now select the sketch 3, and here select this 40 circle, and here select got here right line, and it is around 2 and here select this surface, and this the surface, and reverse the reduction and apply OK. Now again select the cut and select the sketch 3. Now select 15 and here select forward, apply OK. Now select your chamfer, select this edge, and select this edge, and it is 1 and apply OK. Now select the fillet, sorry, not swept, yeah, this fillet, right? Select this one, this one, this one, and this one. It is 4 apply OK. Now our exercise is completed. So now we are going to apply color to it, or we can say appearance to it, right? So appearance is this one, apply OK. And this is our isometric view. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.